Hey cuties! Today we're going to be using this, as you can tell by the title. Let's see how I'm gonna use it. The palette itself is $34, but you can always use a discount code, so girl, it's honestly not bad. Compared to Jeffree, usually his palettes are like $60, $50. I like that they're doing like targeting a new audience with the price point. So let's get into it, chicas. Okay, so before we start the eye look, going to some setting powder under my eyes because we don't know how the fallout's gonna be. We gotta take all measures in insurance that our foundation or base is not gonna get ruined. Usually I do my eyes first, but since I'm doing a review, I wanted to have my base pretty much done. I swear I'm not doing cocaine. Cocaine. Chicken. I'm going in with Self-Made. I'm gonna start inwards to outwards. That's pretty. She's pigmented, darling. That's like hella pigmented.
Oh, that's pigmented.
That's pigmented. Now I'm gonna go in with orange. You amaze. I didn't say banana. I'm gonna go in now with Mr. Diva. Literally just gonna pack it right next to it. Oh, that's pretty too. Guys, these are really nice. Now I'm not really gonna do any blending. I'm just gonna do packing motions and then blend kind of towards the end. You see me sweating? Baby, it's hot in Texas. At the end of this video, I won't have any makeup on. That's the truth, girl. That is the mother tea. In with Wake and Bake. I'm gonna pack that right next to the orange or Mr. Diva shade. It's pretty. Sometimes these colors are scary to work because they can make you look sick. Or we're gonna make you look sickening. Going back in with Mr. Diva just to reinforce that orangey. Back with that pink. Kind of looks weird, but I should come together in the end. Oh, yes. Now I'm gonna go in with Nate. I don't know what to think. Oh. Wake and Bake, just got it. Okay, that's how I can describe it. Wake and Bake is more of that plant green, if you know what I mean. Jelly bean. Ooh, you don't want me, girl. Jeffree, 5 years, top music career. You need a featuring artist? Call me. I packed that in the outer corner and start creating kind of like a cat eye effect. I can Wake and Bake and just kind of reinforce that color again. I always go back with colors back and forth, because sometimes you lose colors when you apply newer colors. Something does look weird. I'm hugging in a specific area that I'm not liking. This is a Tim Gunn moment, a make it work moment. I'm gonna try to blend the edges together seamlessly and like an ombre effect. And if you hear someone breathing hard, that's him.
What?
I said if you hear...
Okay, huh?
But you don't have to be extra.
Maybe it's your fucking fan. Unprofessional.
She's a new girl on the block. So the greens look good, except together weirdly. It blends well, but you kind of have to finesse it. But it does become like a nice, pretty green. Should I try the black? Should I not? Should I not? Now I just took micellar water in a cotton thingy to cut the crease, just so we use actual concealer to actually cut the crease, the colors won't bleed into weird colors. My experience with hooded eyes in the beauty industry. That'd be a memoir. Now I'm just gonna use a white concealer. Today I'm using the ColourPop Fair 00 flat smudger brush to cut the crease. BRB. Now that I've cut the crease, it looks crazy, I know. Go back in with Nate, blend the edges. And then blend. Okay, with that Wake and Bake reinforce the color because it does disappear a bit. Now that I'm thinking, this is kind of a drag eye. I'm kind of like blowing it out on the very top so it doesn't look so harsh. So, just to say, I haven't experienced fallout. They didn't have to sweep away and apply more setting powder. In the pan, a little bit powdery. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all, darling. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take Nate. You know how lip sync does kind of like that inner corner white eye? That's what I'm gonna try to do. Guys, I'm going in with black. I have to. With Fast Lane, wherever we put that dark green Nate, I'm gonna put Fast Lane kind of on top to make it look more defined. I'm gonna apply Fast Lane also in my outer corner to deepen that crease because it was looking kind of weird. Oh, so y'all wanted some drama. The black brought in the drama. The good kind of drama, not the drama that's been going on about her. This is the kind of drama that we want. Go back in with Nate, the bottom lash line, and kind of buff the black out. I actually really like how the black is there, but when you add those green shades, it kind of turns into like a forest green. I'm really liking that color. I'm gonna cut the inner corner. Just be like, I'm kind of scared. Now I'm gonna go back in with Wake and Bake and kind of buff that out even more. I'm gonna put Fast Lane lash line